Welcome to the part 2 of our SEO strategy of 2025. Hi, this is Priya from Rabbit Loader. Now for step 6, we would stay with the technical SEO. Technical SEO is becoming more and more important as the time goes, and it's time for you to make your website complaint with it. Now let's see the step number 6, which is page speed improvement. Page speed is closely tied with user experience. Improving page speed helps you create not only a faster loading website, it also reduces bounce rate, which in turn helps improving the hugely important dwell time as well as the conversion rates. If you are on WordPress, you can use the Rabbit Loader plugin to improve your page speed in just a few clicks. Just install the plugin and it would do everything else needed for the fast loading and responsive website. Rabbit Loader is also available for Shopify, Laravel, and PHP. So if you are on any of these CMSs, you can use Rabbit Loader to improve your SEO game. Step 7 of our SEO strategy is building links. But it's not the one you are probably thinking about. Backlinks are necessary to rank your content, but they need a great deal of efforts and cost a lot too. What we all tend to sideline when it comes to link building is internal links. Internal links are great for SEO. They help your website rank higher. Moreover, it's free and you do not have to rely on a third party to build them. If you have a bigger website, finding internal links opportunities could look like a mammoth task. Luckily, you have DoFollow. This AI internal link building tool helps you find the internal link opportunities within a few minutes. It also helps you create those links on your website right from DoFollow's console without even opening your website. Let artificial intelligence assist you in your journey to higher rankings with this internal linking tool. Once your content is published, it is time to give it a push that would propel it to the top of the search engine ladder. That is the next step of our SEO strategy, link building. As you know, quality always wins over quantity when it comes to link building. Here's the deal. Google doesn't just care about how many links you have, links quality matters the most. When acquiring links for your content, keep in mind the donor content topic should align with your target page's content. And links from high domain authority websites with real traffic are SEO gold. They act as glowing recommendations for your content. A quick tip: avoid spammy, low quality paid links and from websites with fake domain authority. Alright, building links is costly and it takes a considerable amount of efforts, but the next step of our SEO strategy doesn't cost you anything other than your efforts. Updating old content is the ninth step of our SEO strategy. Why should you update your content? Because Google loves fresh and relevant content. When we create a piece of content, not all of them can rank on the first page of Google. Find older content on your website which rank outside top 3 of search results. Give those content a second chance. Time with new information can indeed improve its chances of moving up the search ranking. The final step of our SEO strategy is publishing on popular platforms. Now, publishing content on your website is great. It brings in traffic and helps you achieve your conversion goals. But it is also harder to rank a website with low niche or topical authority. The domain authority of your website matters when it comes to ranking. Hence, if your goal is to improve the visibility of your brand, creating content for platforms like Medium or Quora could really help you get more attention to your brand. Posting regularly on these platforms can help you grow a following which can work like a moat for your brand. On the other hand, by posting on platforms like LinkedIn, you can reach a professional network specifically relevant to your industry, which can lead to more qualified traffic to your website. You can cross post your content on different platforms, ensuring you tailor your writing style and formatting to fit the specific platforms. Creating high quality, relevant content that provides value to your audience helps your brand's online visibility and trust. The SEO landscape is evolving faster than ever, but one thing remains constant: quality content paired with SEO strategies. Don't forget to like,